Ever looked at your phone and wondered, can this thing actually replace my wallet? If you're in Norway, the answer might surprise you. There's this little app called Vipps that's turning heads and wallets upside down. But how does it actually work? Let's dive in. Imagine walking into a cafe, ordering your favorite latte, and instead of fumbling for your card or cash, you just tap your phone on a little device. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, that's Vipps. It's more than just an app, it's a way of life for many Norwegians. But let's rewind a bit. What exactly is Vipps? It's a mobile payment system that's taken Norway by storm. Think of it as your digital wallet, but supercharged. You can use it to pay for almost anything from your morning coffee to your rent. It's like having a tiny, magical money machine in your pocket. So, how do you get started? First things first, you need a Norwegian phone number. Sorry, international friends, you'll have to wait for now. Once you've got that, downloading the Vipps app is a breeze. It's available on both iOS and Android. After downloading, you'll need to link your Norwegian bank account to the app. It's a simple process, but make sure you have your banking details handy. Once linked, you're ready to start spending. Paying with Vipps is as easy as pie. Most stores in Norway will have a Vipps payment option. All you need to do is open the app, select the amount you want to pay, and then scan the QR code at the checkout. It's that simple. No more digging for change or swiping cards. But Vipps isn't just about paying for things. You can also send money to friends and family instantly. Want to split the bill for dinner? No problem. Just open Vipps, select the people you want to split with, and voila! The money is transferred. And let's talk about online shopping. Vipps has made online purchases a breeze. Many online stores in Norway accept Vipps, so you can shop till you drop without worrying about credit card details. It's secure, fast, and convenient. But wait, there's more. Vipps is also venturing into other areas. You can use it to pay for public transport, buy concert tickets, and even donate to charity. It's becoming your one-stop shop for digital payments. Now, you might be wondering how safe Vipps is. Well, security is a top priority for them. Your transactions are protected with advanced encryption technology. Plus, you can add an extra layer of security with fingerprint or facial recognition. So, is Vipps the future of payments? It certainly looks like it. While it's currently dominating the Norwegian market, there is no doubt that it has the potential to change the way we pay worldwide. But remember, technology is always evolving. While Vipps is a fantastic tool, it's essential to stay informed about the latest trends and security measures. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.